Fans are over the moon as popular children's show Bluey is officially making its way into Minecraft. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Bluey is one of the very few children's shows that can get parents to find themselves watching it willingly. And now, a Bluey DLC titled Bluey's House will be available on the Minecraft marketplace to let your kids explore the healer's house in all its pixelated glory. The whole family will be there: Bingo, Mom, Dad, and you'll need to find keys throughout the house while reliving great memories from the TV series. If you've played the official Bluey video game, the Minecraft version of Bluey sounds just like that. It's a fun gameplay with a bunch of wholesome mini-games that are based directly on episodes from the show like I Spy, Hide and Seek, and Ragdoll. The DLC will be available for the Bedrock edition of Minecraft, which means it'll work across consoles, mobile, and PC. And if you pop into the marketplace before 6th March, you can grab a free Chattermax mask. After that, it'll still be available, but you will have to pay for it. So if your household contains a Chattermax superfan, consider this your heads up to get on there. This isn't the only time a kid's beloved character has entered the game. It's done collabs with Hello Kitty to Stranger Things. Some are free, some are premium, but all are good. These collaborations tend to offer hours of entertainment, and adding Bluey in the roster feels like a perfect way to add the fun. The Bluey DLC doesn't have a confirmed price yet, but you won't have to wait long to find out. Bluey's House arrives on the Minecraft marketplace on 5th February across all platforms. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Minecraft just opened a portal to the Upside Down and it's officially on. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of all the tech and gaming news. Mojang has dropped a Stranger Things DLC on the Minecraft marketplace, and this isn't just another skin pack you forget about after 5 minutes. Built by Blockception, the new add-on is a full-blown story adventure with missions, puzzles, chases, and creepy Hawkins vibes. Yes, the Demogorgon is involved. No, you probably won't feel safe. The launch trailer shows players sprinting through familiar locations, solving puzzles, and diving into scripted moments that feel pulled straight from the show. You'll play as characters like Eleven, Mike, Dustin, and Will, each with abilities that matter. This isn't just a survival, it's a gameplay that mixes combat, exploration, and problem solving. The DLC jumps between Hawkins and the Upside Down, recreating iconic scenes with custom interactions, collectibles, and enemy encounters. It's structured like a mini campaign with clear story beats and transitions instead of a sandbox you have to invent yourself. If all you remember is the old 2017 Stranger Things skin pack, forget it because this is a totally different experience. There's also a nice freebie, a Hellfire Club t-shirt you can claim for your character creator, no purchase required. Mojang has been quietly turning marketplace DLC into compact adventure games, and Stranger Things fits right into that strategy. It's perfect for fans who want the vibe without the scares getting out of hand. With the show heading toward its finale, this feels like smart timing. It's creepy, playable, and surprisingly good. Watch the trailer, open the marketplace, and get ready to run. Hawkins isn't safe anymore. Or are you ready to set a Demodog on fire? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Something legendary is cooking up in the blocky world of Minecraft, and it's glowing golden with Super Scion energy. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming updates. During the 2025 Minecraft livestream, Mojang dropped a jaw-dropping teaser that's left fans excited like a power level over 9,000. In the teaser, Shenron, the eternal dragon himself, emerged from the skies to grant a wish. His gift was the power of a Super Scion. The teaser showed a Minecraft player being blessed by Shenron, instantly transforming with Goku's iconic Super Saiyan hair before turning into the mighty warrior himself. It's more than a skin. It's a dream come true for Dragon Ball fans. And the best part, you can already claim the Super Saiyan hair as a free character item on the Minecraft marketplace. But don't delay the glow up, because this golden opportunity will end on November 9th. All the details about this aren't out yet, but the teaser promises that more Dragon Ball icons like Vegeta, Gohan, and Piccolo are heading to Minecraft Bedrock Edition soon. Minecraft teaming up with Dragon Ball with its epic battles, transformations, and iconic characters could be one of its most exciting crossovers yet. So if you've waited all your life, now's the time to become a Super Saiyan. So go in Kamehameha, y'all. Are you excited about this collab? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any gaming update. Minecraft just dropped a major update, but it's saying goodbye to a fan-favorite feature forever. Plus, a new flat world preset and bug fixes are shaking things up. Want to know what's changing in the world's best-selling game? Stick around. What's good, gamers? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest gaming scoops. Today we're diving into Minecraft's newest Bedrock Edition patch, including the shocking end of VR support and some cool new features. So let's dig in. Big news! Minecraft has officially ended support for virtual reality in its latest Bedrock Edition update. Last year, Mojang already pulled the plug on PlayStation VR, and now all VR modes, including modes like Vivecraft for Steam VR and Oculus Rift, are donezo. Some casual players didn't even know Minecraft had VR, but fans on X are bummed, saying it was a thrilling way to explore the voxel world. RIP immersive mining. It's not all bad news. The Bedrock update brings flat world presets, giving builders a smooth, clean canvas without jagged terrain to clear, perfect for epic projects. Plus, Mojang rolled out a ton of bug fixes. Think better audio, smoother block interactions, and overall slicker gameplay. With nearly 170 million monthly players, these tweaks keep Minecraft, the best-selling game ever, feeling fresh. But wait, there's more. The update tweaks leads, letting you leash mobs together or tether them to boats. Great for herding animals across rivers. Meanwhile, Java Edition's April snapshot shook up crafting for dried, gassed, and leaves, showing Mojang's experimenting across both versions. These changes make every adventure more creative, whether you're building or exploring. Why is this a big deal? Losing VR stings for immersive fans, but the Bedrock updates focus on stability and new tools keeps Minecraft accessible for its massive community. Flat worlds are a builder's dream, and those bug fixes mean fewer crashes during your next mega build. What's your take? Is VR's end a big loss? Or are you hyped for flat worlds? Drop it in the comments. That's the lowdown on Minecraft's latest update. If you're hooked on these changes, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming news. Here's how to allocate more RAM to Minecraft. Are you tired of the Java version of Minecraft, which supports a notably smaller quantity of allocated RAM that would eventually lead to poor performance, and sometimes several crashes too? Then there's nothing to worry about, as here's a step-by-step guide to allocate more RAM to Minecraft. Firstly, launch the Minecraft launcher and click on the Installations tab. Then browse the particular profile that you desire to modify memory allocation for and click on the three-dot menu. Afterwards, click on the More options present below the resolution. Now scroll down the JVM arguments and select the -xmx2g parameter. Now click on the text and change -xmx2g to -xmx8g with the keyboard's assistant. It would easily allocate 8 GB RAM to the Java launcher. Nevertheless, users are also allowed to theoretically alter it to any specific quantity divisible by 2 under your complete RAM quantity. Once you've set the quantity, shut down the option menu and then run Minecraft again to check out its performance. Additionally, if you want to see the amount of memory remaining, then press F3 during a game. It will exhibit the remaining memory. Here's how to allocate more RAM in CurseForge Launcher. Follow these steps to use the CurseForge Launcher and easily allocate RAM. Firstly, launch the CurseForge app and click on Settings. Now click on Minecraft and present below the game specific. Afterwards, swipe down to search the Java settings and appropriately adjust the slider bar to allocate more RAM to the game.